Hello friends and welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Today I'm going to decor this little part of my house with some few Dollar Tree items. So these are the planters that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm going to use them as a vase for the little succulents that I got from Dollar Tree and AliExpress.com. The first item that I'm going to put in this planter is the little grasses, or I think they're like seagrass. I got them from Dollar Tree, but you can find them in Walmart, Michael's, John, or any other store that you'll go. So these are the succulents that I got from Dollar Tree. They have the little clips as well. I don't need to remove the clips, so I'm just going to put it as it is. So I got this small succulent from AliExpress.com for just a few cents. I'm going to mix and match the small ones with the big ones, and you can match different colors and different sizes of succulents at the same time as well. I'm using jute twine and attaching it to the planter in order to hang these planters on the ceiling. The self-adhesive hooks are very good. They are going to hold up to 2 pounds, so you can go ahead and use them and hang your planters on the ceiling with it. The second item that I'm going to use in my dining room is this art piece, but the frame looks old, so I'm going to give it a new look. So now that I have covered the areas with the tape, I'm going to use the mixture of acrylic paint and water and cover all the frame. I'm going to use black because I want to darken the shade of the brown. Then I'm going to tap the tissue on the paint just to give it a texture. I hope you like this project. Please leave a comment below and share your ideas with me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to support me and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.